Hey guys, it's iPhone Tech Reviews, and I'm really excited. I just got my iPhone 4S. I went and picked it up at a Verizon store, and well, it's not the first unboxing because they did have to open it to activate it. Alright, so let's get to it. So on the side, we have iPhone 4S. Over here, we have the iCloud. Right here, another iPhone 4S, and the Apple logo. On the top, we have the iPhone. And on the bottom, I did get the 16 gigabyte. So let me just open it up. And there we go. So the box is really hard. And here's the iPhone. So let me just put this to the side right now. And here we have some papers. So let me just go into this first. So here we have some earphones and a USB cable and the wall adapter. So let's go to this part now. And here we have some, I believe, Apple stickers. So we have fingertips. Alright. iPhone 4S and some Apple stickers. Alright, so more Apple stickers for the collection. Alright guys, so I will be making a review for this. And that's about it, guys. So I'll be doing a review, and please rate, comment, subscribe. I will be doing a giveaway for December since the holidays are coming. So I'll be announcing this from now to the end of October, and the video will be up on what the giveaway is in November, and the winners will be announced in December. So that's it, guys. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Peace.